Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Silo. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, and also share this video. So a couple of days ago, Lerato Kganyago went onto an Insta Live to address some sort of a beef that she has with Tebogo Thobejane, you guys. And in the video, Lerato is heard saying that she is not scared of Tebogo and that she has a recording that will damage her reputation. Take a listen to this.
You know that I'm tired. I can tell not Tebogo Thobejane. I can tell because when I get to me, she knows exactly what she did. So anyway, that's another story. I just find it weird when people talk about you like they know you, like in things that have. Don't claim friends.
After that video, people were quick to assume that Lerato Kganyago meant that Tebogo Thobejane was having an affair with her husband, Tamindlala, you guys. Well, Lerato has finally spoken out for the first time to a popular publication and confirmed and said that there was no affair between her husband and Tebogo Thobejane. This is what she told the publication. She said, "The thing about an affair, I don't know where it's coming from. It's not from me. I think it's just people making things up about whatever. But I definitely know that my husband did not have an affair with Tebogo Thobejane." Now, that's it, you guys. Please do let me know what you think down in the comment section below. Also, subscribe if you have not yet done so. I shall surely see you on my next upload. Bye.